Linux file system. That's what we will be talking about in this video. So I've signed in as a root user, and then the file system, the root of the file system is located in the root directory of the machine. And how can you get to the root directory? Simple. Use the cd /. Then at this point we are at the root directory of the machine. Now to see the file system here, so just do ls. I'm going to see all the files on this machine. They have their use cases. Starting from the left, we have the bin. Bin is actually the location of the commands that regular users run on Linux operating system. So all the commands that regular users will be using are located in this bin directory. A related directory is the sbin, located around there. So sbin contains all the list of commands that admin users, like especially the root user, will run. So that is what is located in the sbin. In the home directory, this is the location of all the users on this machine, all the normal users on this machine. So they are located in the home directory. In fact, their own directories as well is located there. Alright, but the directory of the root user is here in the root directory, as you can see. So another directory that is important is the boot directory. Boot directory, this contains the just the boot files and every other thing are located there. To the right of the boot directory, we have the etc directory. This is very important, guys. That's a lot of useful files and directories. Let's just go into that and see. Let's see the content. In fact, that's a lot of content. That's a lot of useful files and directories. One of that is the cron tab, and then we can just let's tail this output to like let's say the top 20. Alright, this is top 20 files and directories here. As you can see, etc file, we have Apache 2, which is a web server on this machine. We have the adduser.configurations and things like that. We have the apt. The apt is very important in Ubuntu. That's the command used to install. We have the bash.bashrc, another important file. We have the calendar, and we have the console setup. So this contains a lot of useful files and directories as well. Also, you can see the tail, that is the last 20 of this file. So the last 20, we have the udisk, we have the update manager, upower, vim editor, important. So etc directory contains quite a number of important files and directory. So let's go back to the home, to the root directory. So go back to the user directory by using, you can use that, you see the / the root directory. So let's go back to the content of the root directory. So we have libraries, we have mount mnt, contains the mounted hardware to this machine. We have the .proc, important. We have snap, we have sys, we have var. Var is also important. In the root directory, you notice that we have Apache 2, which is our web service. But if we want to put files into the web server of this machine, then the files will be placed in var, var /www./html. So this is the location where we put the content. As you can see, at the moment we have index.html, but this is just some default files from the Apache server. If we should look take the IP address of the server and run it, then we are going to get just the default files of this of Apache server. However, if we want to put our own website files on this server, then we have to delete everything here and replace it with we are going to replace it with our own website and files and documents. So that is that, guys.